Welcome to class, and let us take this question from 1982, and this was question number 6, and we are asked to simplify log 8 base 10 minus log 4 base 10. Everything will be divided by log 4 base 10 minus log 2 base 10. So as usual, pause the video, try to solve it, and we will compare our answer together. All right, so pause the video. Okay, so I want to believe you've been able to solve it and you have gotten your answer. Okay, so let's do it together. Okay, now we try. This is log 8 base 10 minus log 4 base 10. Everything divided by log 4 base 10 minus log 2 base 10. So let's attempt to, as much as we can, to keep any other number in the power, the factor of 2, a number that we can multiply together by 2 to have any of these other numbers. So this is what I mean. For instance, so this log, this first one that we have here, 8. Can we change 8 to 2 in the power of 2? And that will be 2 raised to the power of what? You're going to have it as 2 raised to the power of 3. And that will be 8, right? So let's maintain the power of the base 10 here. We're able to change that one. And of course, we have a subtraction here. Let's do the same for log 4 base 10. All right, so for that of 4, that will be 2 raised to the power of what? Or we're gonna have it as, that will be 2 raised to the power of 2. That will give us 4, and then we maintain the base. Okay, so we are done with everything that pertains to the numerator. So we move straight ahead to the denominator, and to solve for the denominator, let's still have our log out here, and of course we know by now that 4 will be replaced with 2 raised to the power of 2, because 2 raised to the power of 2 is the same thing as 4, and then the base 10 still comes below, and of course we have our minus. And now let's have this log 2 base 10 remains. All right, so we can change it further. 2 base 10, it is going to remain. All right, now the law of indices. Now we know that the power will come over here to multiply the log itself. So now that's going to become 3 times the remaining part. That's what's the remaining, as log 3 times log 2 base 10. Good, we're done with that one. It's 2 log 2 base 10. All right, we're done with that. And subtracting, you're going to subtract it with what we have here. That will be minus this other one here. This power here will come over. Yeah, it will come over, and that will become 2. That will multiply with the log. 2 times log. 2 times log. What's left here? The log that is left there. What's left there is log 2 base 10. So you have it as 2 times log 2 and base 10. That is for the numerators. So we're done with the numerator, and we now solve for the denominator. The denominator, same thing. This will move to this power 2 here, will move over here, and that will become 2 times 2 times, you're going to have it as log what we have here is 2 base 2 log 2 base 10 rather, log 2 base 10. Okay, let's have our subtraction sign. Now subtract it with this other power. Everything here remains the same. But if you want to just maybe here log 2 base 10 is the same thing as saying log 2 raised to the power of 1. So that one can just come over just for balancing. So then you can just balance it. Okay. Alright, so you're just assuming that, like we know very well that log 2 raised to log 2 base 10 is something as saying log 2 raised to the power of 1. So this one here, let's just try to bring it behind, and that's what we're having here as 1 log 2 base 10. Alright, so we're gonna solve this out now. 3 log 2 base 10 log 2 base 10. So 3 log 2 base 10 minus 2 log 2 base 10. We can subtract this 3 minus 2 and 3 minus 2. Let's have a space here to finish up our work. Okay, let's try to have a space here. Okay, now subtracting this, we're gonna have it as 1 log 2 base 10. So let's have it 1 log, and then it's log 2. Okay, alright, base 10. That's for the numerator, right? Yes, that's for the numerator, and we need to work for the denominator. So everything there divided by, let's come here. 2 log 2 base 10 minus log 2 base 10, because 1 is here. So 2 minus 1 first is going to give us 1, and we're going to have the same thing. So we have here 1, and of course the remainder, what's left, other part, log 2 log 2 and log 2 base 10. Alright, so let's see, this can just cancel itself out. This can just cancel itself out, and if this cancel itself out here one time and comes into this other one here one time. So our answer is 1. That's our answer. So we have our answer as 1. Alright, so let's check our option, if there is any like that here. Okay, we have it, option E. Option E, 1. That's the correct option. Alright, so we are good. Just a recap what we did. This is the question we were given. We wrote out the question, we wrote it out here, and then we try to break it down to the smallest of the logs, was 2 here. So, and then changing h to that of 2 raised to the power 3, and that of 4 to be log 2 raised to the power 2. Same thing was applicable to the denominator. For here of log 4 base 10, we had it as log 2 raised to the power 2 base 10, and this remain log 2 base 10. Now, from following the law of logarithm, in which the power will come behind to multiply everything. So these two can be this other one here, 3, came behind to multiply everything, log 3, and then 2 base 10 minus this other power of 2 came behind to multiply and became log 2 base 10. For the denominator, the power here came behind to multiply, became 2 log 2 base 10 minus this one. We did not have a power, we just know that it's 1. We just have to put it down, and that one came behind here to multiply log 1 log 2 base 10. So everything is common, things are the same. So we subtract 2 from 3, and that gave us 1 log 2 base 10. Subtracting the denominator, we also had 1, and they are the same, cancel itself. We had 1 as our option. All right, so that is it for this particular past question. We're gonna meet in the next class. Bye bye.